Hello, in this video I'm going to repair this television. The customer just brought in the TV. This is the TV, 21-inch Tcl brand. This brand is come from China, Guangdong, China. I plug in the power to try. Now you can see the screen of this television is narrow. The screen of this television is narrow. In this case, the power supply of this television has the problem. In this case, first, you have to measure the voltage at the input capacitor, and then you measure the voltage at the output capacitor. The voltage at the input capacitor is about 280 volts. The voltage at the output capacitor is about 110 volts. You should pay attention. You have to measure the voltage at the input capacitor, and then you measure the voltage at the output capacitor. Now, let's start. Now you can see the power supply of this television has been replaced. This is the Chinese power supply. Now you can see this is the input capacitor. First, you have to measure the voltage at the input capacitor. The voltage at the input capacitor is about 280 volts. And then you measure the voltage at the output capacitor. This is the output capacitor. The voltage at the output capacitor is about 110 volts. I plug in the power to try. First, you have to measure the voltage at the input capacitor. Now you can see the voltage at the input capacitor is about 280 volts. The voltage here is normally. And then you measure the voltage at the output capacitor. The voltage at the output capacitor is about 110 volts. You put the selector at the multimeter at 250 volts. Now you can see the voltage at the output capacitor is about 70 volts. The voltage here is very low. You have to replace another capacitor. Now you can see the voltage here is very low. The voltage at the output capacitor is about 70 volts. Now the voltage here is very low. You have to replace another capacitor to try. I unplug. This is the output capacitor. The voltage here is about 70 volts. The voltage here is very low. You have to replace another capacitor to try. you have to replace another capacitor. I will replace another capacitor to try. I plug in the power to try. Now the voltage here is about 110 volts. Now the voltage here is good. Now, the image, the screen of this television is good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe. Don't forget to click subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.